Introducing the TROILTR01 Double Action Transfer Pump. An all-manual pump that requires no batteries or power. It is constructed from high-quality durable steel with a 16-ounce capacity barrel and two 4-feet hoses. The double-action oil transfer allows for quick oil transfer by simultaneously drawing in and pumping out oil every stroke. Adapter included to enable transfer from the oil port on the top of the engine. No more big messes and backaches. The TROILTR01 allows oil changes and transfers to be free of the hassle of going through the drain plug underneath the engine by extracting oil through the top.